Okay, what I want to do now is to add another column in my customers table to see which of my customers in all returned an order. So I'll go to column E and I'll give it a title. I could call it return order number or something along those lines, return number, and double click it to make it my size, give it a specific color. And what I'll be asking here is for each customer, did this customer return an order? And the customer ID is located in the returns worksheet. So as you can see, a lot of customer IDs here in the returns worksheet. I'm going to try to see if, and if so, where the customer returned an order. So the function we'll be using is an Excel function called match. And in a second, I will go into how to use it. Okay, so match. What does match want and ask for? The first thing is the lookup value, which is the value which we are searching for, usually a unique ID or something along those lines. Second is the lookup array. Where is it going to be searching for this value? And the match type, be it 0 for an exact match, which is what we will be using mainly, or 1, which gives you the largest value that is less than the lookup value, -1, the smallest value that is greater than the lookup value. What this does is gives you the relative position of where in the table my match was located, basically the row number. Let's see how the match function would work on our players table, our example table. So my lookup value is Argentina, and my lookup array will be the country column. I'm looking for an exact match, so I will use 0. The first placement of the column is Portugal, and the second is Argentina. So the answer Excel will return to me will be 2. The second cell in the column, placement of the second cell, was the value which I was looking for. Okay, let's try to use this match function and see how to implement it. So I'll type in match. My lookup value will be my customer ID, comma, to separate it. My lookup array, I'm going to go to my returns table, and I'll highlight the customer ID array, comma, match type exact 0, and click enter. As you can see, we have a lot of NAs, a lot of problematic cells. This is intuitive since a lot of my customers did not return orders, so their customer ID was not located in the returns worksheet. To compensate for this, I will type in another function, if NA, before my original function. This basically means if there's an NA in my answer, change it to something else. So the value, if the value is NA, and then comma, and then if there's an NA, I'll give it a quotation marks, leave it empty so that it'll be a blank, close the parentheses, and click enter. As you can see, we have a much cleaner data set with blanks and numbers 1 to 100. Okay, let's keep going.